More than 30,000 years ago, long before cities, kingdoms, and modern civilization existed, a remarkable predator roamed the forests, mountains, and plains of the earth. Intelligent, adaptable, and highly social, this animal would become one of nature's most successful hunters. This is the story of the gray wolf. For centuries, wolves have inspired both fear and admiration. They appear in myths, legends, and folklore from cultures around the world. Some stories portray them as dangerous predators, while others celebrate their loyalty, intelligence, and strength. Yet the real life of wolves is even more fascinating than the legends. Gray wolves are among the most widely distributed mammals on Earth. They once lived across much of North America, Europe, Asia, and parts of the Middle East. Their ability to adapt to different environments allowed them to survive in forests, grasslands, mountains, tundra, and even deserts. Despite their reputation, wolves are not solitary hunters. They are highly social animals that live in family groups known as packs. A wolf pack is much more than a collection of animals. It is a family. Most packs consist of a breeding pair and their offspring. Older siblings often help care for younger pups, creating strong social bonds that are essential for survival. Within the pack, communication is vital. Wolves use body language, facial expressions, scent marking, and vocalizations to communicate. Their famous howl is one of the most recognizable sounds in nature. A howl can serve many purposes. It may help pack members locate one another across long distances. It can warn rival packs to stay away. Sometimes it simply strengthens social bonds within the group. On a quiet night, a wolf's howl can travel for several miles through forest and open landscapes. Life as a wolf is not easy. Every day presents challenges. Finding food is perhaps the greatest challenge of all. Wolves are carnivores and skilled hunters. Depending on their location, they prey on animals such as deer, elk, moose, wild sheep, and smaller mammals. Unlike many predators, wolves often hunt cooperatively. Teamwork allows them to target animals much larger than themselves. A hunt begins with careful observation. Wolves search for signs of weakness in a herd. They may focus on young, old, injured, or sick animals that are easier to catch. Once a target is identified, the pack works together. Some wolves may chase the prey, while others position themselves strategically. Communication and coordination are essential. Not every hunt is successful. In fact, many hunts end in failure. A healthy deer or elk can outrun wolves, and large prey can be dangerous. Kicks from hooves or antlers can cause serious injuries. When a hunt succeeds, the entire pack benefits. Food is shared among adults and pups alike. This cooperative lifestyle is one of the reasons wolves have survived for thousands of years. Spring is one of the most important seasons in a wolf pack. It is the time when new pups are born. Wolf pups are usually born in dens hidden among rocks, forests, or underground shelters. At birth, they are blind, deaf, and completely dependent on their parents. The entire pack helps protect and care for the young. As the weeks pass, the pups begin exploring the world around them. They learn important skills through play, including hunting techniques, social behavior, and communication. For young wolves, play is more than entertainment. It is training for survival. As pups mature, they gradually join adults on hunting trips and begin contributing to the pack. The bond between wolves is one of the strongest found in the animal kingdom. Pack members often show affection through grooming, nuzzling, and playful interactions. These relationships help maintain unity and cooperation. Wolves also play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. As apex predators, they help regulate prey populations. Without predators, herbivore populations can grow too large, leading to overgrazing and environmental damage. One of the most famous examples occurred in Yellowstone National Park in the United States. Wolves had been eliminated from the area in the early 20th century. Without them, elk populations increased significantly, affecting vegetation and other wildlife. In 1995, wolves were reintroduced to Yellowstone. The results were remarkable. As wolves helped control elk numbers, vegetation began recovering. This created better habitats for birds, beavers, and many other species. The return of wolves demonstrated how a single predator can influence an entire ecosystem. Yet despite their importance, wolves have faced enormous challenges. For centuries, humans viewed wolves as threats to livestock and safety. As human populations expanded, wolves lost much of their natural habitat. Hunting, trapping, and persecution reduced wolf populations across many regions. In some areas, wolves were driven to near extinction. By the 20th century, many countries had only small populations remaining. Fortunately, attitudes toward wolves gradually began to change. Scientists and conservationists emphasized the ecological importance of predators and worked to protect remaining populations. Conservation efforts helped wolves recover in several regions. Today, gray wolves continue to inhabit parts of North America, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. However, challenges remain. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and changing environmental conditions continue to threaten some populations. The future of wolves depends on finding a balance between conservation and human needs. Modern technology has also revealed surprising insights into wolf behavior. Researchers use GPS collars, camera traps, and genetic studies to better understand how wolves live, hunt, and interact. These studies have shown that wolves are highly intelligent animals, capable of solving problems, adapting to new situations, and maintaining complex social relationships. Their behavior often reflects remarkable cooperation and loyalty. In many ways, wolves remind us of the importance of family, teamwork, and resilience. For thousands of years, humans have shared the world with wolves. Sometimes we feared them. Sometimes we admired them. But the more we learn about wolves, the more we realize how important they are to the natural world. The gray wolf is not merely a predator. It is a symbol of wilderness itself. Its howl echoes through forests and mountains, reminding us that wild places still exist. Even today, when a wolf raises its head beneath the night sky and howls into the darkness, it carries forward a story that began thousands of years ago. A story of survival, a story of family, a story of one of nature's most extraordinary animals. The secret life of wolves continues, hidden among forests, mountains, and open plains, waiting to be discovered by those willing to listen to the call of the wild.